Let us spill this already spilled juice. We are on Jacob Zuma's business today. Somebody decided to post and say, Jacob Zuma is actively sabotaging South Africa. Duduzile Zuma is actively sabotaging South Africa. Duduzane Zuma is actively sabotaging South Africa. If this very evil, violent, and corrupt family is not dealt with harshly, they will make stage 6 load shedding look like child's play. This vicious family will burn the entire country down to get what they want, which is to rule South Africa, so that they could loot, plunder, and steal. MK Party is a criminal party. I don't know. What I know is MK has been going to different churches to campaign, right? And I do not think that they're not warmly welcome, because by the look of things, people are taking pictures with the former President Jacob Zuma, and yeah, MK got its gaining momentum. But what makes people think that they are the ones behind stage 6?